All right, going to be working on I think it's a 17 Audi Q5 this morning. Just damage right here. There's another easy one. So I don't want you guys to think I only do these easy ones. There's a lot of hard ones I do that I don't film because probably nobody wants to watch me grind on a wheel for 20 minutes. So these are pretty easy to just show you how it's done. Going to sand all this out with the 320 grit, then scuff, paint, and clear coat. All right, and that's it for that one. If I can find the keys for it, I'm going to do an Acura RDX next.